morning children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you the topic government, that is state and union government. Let's start now. So what is a government? A government is an organization that has a legal sanction to run the administration of a state or nation. So a government is an organization that has a legal sanction to run the administration of a state or nation. So what are the types of government? The types of government are democratic government, dictator government and communist government. So what are the types of the government? The government can be the types of government. The government can be divided into three types. That is democratic government, dictator government and communist government. So in India we follow democratic government. So let's see what is democracy. Democracy is nothing but it is a government by the people, for the people and of the people. So what is democracy? Democracy is nothing but it is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. This slogan was said by Abraham Lincoln, who was the President of United States of America. So Abraham Lincoln was the President of United States of America, quoted that democracy is nothing but it is a government of the people. It is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Next, what are the organs of the government? The organs of the government can be classified into three: legislature, executive, judiciary. So here the organs of the government can be classified into three: legislature, executive, judiciary. So what does legislature do? Legislature, what is the function of legislature? What is the function of legislature? Legislature makes law. Makes the law. Executive is another organ of the government. It enforces the law. Next is judiciary. Judiciary is another organ of the government. It implements the law. It implements the laws. So here, what is the function of legislature? Legislature makes the law. Executive enforces the law. Judiciary implements the law. So now we know understood the difference of legislature, the work of legislature, executive and judiciary, children. Legislature will make the law, executive will enforce the law and judiciary implements the laws. Next is about Lok Sabha. So in Parliament we have two houses. So in Parliament there are two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So Parliament has two houses. A Parliament is called as bicameral legislature. What do you mean by bicameral legislature? Bicameral. What do you mean by bicameral legislature? Bicameral